Starting around 25 walk 2024 hex really is exchanging at $1.05 in terms of its AST rate with a value change of 32% in most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. Hex most certainly has an extremely all-out market cap of data 433 on 81.082 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $92.99 in a by and large significant manner. This especially makes Hex really positioning at 220 in the digital currency market, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. In the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the Hex cost expectation end of 2024, what will Hex for the most part be somewhat worth in 2024 in an extremely enormous manner? Is Hex a wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner? Will Hex cost basically outperform its untouched high, or so they fundamentally thought? These in every practical sense are our Hex cost expectations for Hex's future in an unobtrusive manner. Hex value expectation 2024 as per the Hex conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the Hex cost fundamentally is supposed to generally cross a for the most part normal value level of $93. The normal truly least value worth of Hex toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to in a real sense be $32 in a by and large huge manner. Besides, Hex can explicitly arrive at a greatest value level of $if, which truly shows that starting around 25 walk 2024 Hex really is exchanging at $95 in terms of its AST rate with the value change of 32% in every practical sense, most recent 1 hour in an essentially significant manner. Hex value estimate walk 2024. In walk 2024, the especially most extreme cost for Hex could in every way that really matters stretch around $0.87 exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Besides, the minimum cost of Hex in walk 2024 is $0.24 with an essentially normal cost of $0.27, which is genuinely huge. Hex value conjecture April 2024. For April 2024 the cost of Hex explicitly is in every practical sense anticipated to in every practical sense arrive at a really normal cost of $0.98, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $0.29 and an especially least of $0.26. Hex value expectation May 2024. With respect to May 2024, Hex cost in every way that really matters is figured to generally arrive at an in a real sense, the least cost of $97, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Hex cost could truly arrive at a kind of most extreme cost of $1 with the very normal expected cost around $28. Lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Hex value expectation June 2024. The cost for Hex in June 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $0.28 and $31, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. While the very normal exchanging cost ought to fundamentally be around $0.29, or so they most certainly thought. Hex value expectation July 2024. The cost for Hex in July 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $29 and $932 in an unpretentious manner. While the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to sort of be around $0 in a very enormous manner. Hex value conjecture August 2024. In August 2024, the very most extreme cost for Hex could fundamentally stretch around $34. So Hex value expectation July 2024. The cost for Hex in July 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $29 and $32, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. Moreover, the minimum cost of Hex in August 2024 especially is $, with a very normal cost of $31, which generally is very critical. Hex value conjecture September 2024. The kind of normal cost of Hex could sort of go to $32 toward the finish of September 2024, or so they truly thought. Hex could truly be exchanging around a genuinely greatest worth of $95 with the by and large least expected cost of $0, showing how for the most part is Hex an especially wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2024. Hex value expectation October 2024. The cost for Hex in October 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $31 and $37, which basically is very critical. While the very normal exchanging cost ought to for the most part be around $32 in an extremely significant manner. Hex value conjecture November 2024. The especially normal cost of Hex could go to $93 toward the finish of November 2024 in a very large manner. Hex could fundamentally be exchanging around an exceptionally greatest worth of $0.38 with the very least expected cost of $0.32, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Hex value gauge December 2024. The Hex conjecture for December 2024 expects that the Hex may in every practical sense arrive at an especially greatest worth of $0 with an exceptionally least cost of around $0.32, which in a real sense shows that while the typical exchanging cost ought to really be around $0, which certainly is genuinely critical. Discussing the very normal value Hex can really stretch around $0.33 for December in spite of prevalent thinking. Hex passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Hex's cost has shown a for the most part great increment of 496% in the by and large most recent 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. Hex truly is confronting a for the most part tough time, jumping aboard with really other crypto coins, showing how while the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to in a real sense be around $0.32 in a very significant manner, the Hex basically is down to nearly 1% in the truly most recent 7 days. Exceptionally further appearance how moreover, the minimum cost of Hex in August 2024 in a real sense is $0 with an in every way that really matters, normal cost of $0.831, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The coin certainly is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for especially past beautiful few days. The coin could explicitly have major areas of strength for genuinely yet. We don't generally feel that it would a beneficial resource in certainly present moment, which by and large is genuinely huge. Hex value figure 2024 facts. What will be Hex especially worth in 2024, or so they most certainly thought. The Hex cost truly is estimated to in a real sense arrive at a greatest degree of dollars and bluffers with fundamentally least cost of $0.32 toward the finish of 2024. Truly further appearance how Hex value expectation May 2024. Concerning May 2024, Hex cost basically is gauged to arrive at an actually the most minimal cost of $0.27, or so they basically thought. Hexes generally have a future, or so they basically thought. As far as cost, Hex sort of has a remarkable in every practical sense potential to truly arrive at new levels, showing how Hex value expectation 2024 as per the Hex estimate cost and specialized examination in 2024 the Hex cost explicitly is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.33. The normal sort of least value worth of Hex toward the finish of the extremely current year ought to in a real sense be $0.32, which by and large is genuinely critical. It generally is conjecture that Hex will increment in esteem in a by and large significant way. As per especially unambiguous specialists and business examiners, Hex can in every practical sense hit the greatest cost of $2 till 2030 in an unpretentious manner. Is Hex kind of worth purchasing in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner? Hex's worth in a real sense is supposed